Hello everyone! In this video, we will go through image optimization best practices, and I will share some tips about optimizing your website images to drive more traffic. Image optimization makes your website images easier to index and access by search engines. Websites need to do image optimization because it can improve website performance, SEO, and user experience. Image optimization includes reducing the file size of images, choosing the proper image file format, naming images descriptively, adding alt attributes. We will go through each element and share the best practices. Reducing the file size of images. It means reducing the file size of images without sacrificing their quality. This can be done using various tools and techniques. One standard method uses lossless compression tools, such as JPEG Mini or TinyPNG. These tools can reduce file size without sacrificing quality. A lossy compression tool, such as WIP, can reduce file size but reduce image quality. The best way to resize images will depend on the specific needs of your website. If you need to maintain high image quality, then a lossless compression tool may be the best option. A lossy compression tool may be better if you are willing to sacrifice some image quality for smaller file sizes. Here are some of the benefits of reducing the file size of images. Reduce page load time when compressed images take up less space on a website server. This means that pages load faster, which can improve user experience and reduce bounce rates. Improve SEOs. Search engines like Google consider page load time when ranking websites in search results. So, by optimizing your images, you can improve your website's ranking and get more traffic. Better user experience. When images load quickly, users are more likely to have a positive experience with your website. This can lead to increased engagement and conversions. Choosing the proper image file format. Not all file formats are created equal. Some file formats, such as JPEG and PNG, are better suited for photographs, while others, such as GIF and SVG, are better suited for graphics and illustrations. Naming images descriptively. When you upload images to your website, give them descriptive names. This will make it easier for search engines to index your images and for users to find them. As the image name will be the URL after you upload it to your website, remember the URL structure best practices, such as using lowercase letters only, using hyphens instead of spaces or underscore, and making sure not to use special characters. Adding alt attributes. Alt attributes, also known as alt text, are text descriptions of images. They are essential for accessibility and search engine optimization. When you write the image alt attribute, describe what the image is about and try to use keywords. Search engines can't understand the image context. Hence, they use the alt attributes to understand the image context. If we have an image of a dog and another of a cat, search engines will know which image is a cat from the alt attribute. These tips can optimize your images and improve your website's performance, SEO, and user experience. Feel free to comment if you have any questions about image optimization. I will gladly help. If you want to learn more about SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos about technical optimization, content optimization, link building, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you around.